Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable dual sensor brake support on your Suzuki car. So I am on the Suzuki Evitara. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings. Once you are in the settings, here we're going to go to ADAS and we have the dual sensor brake support, the first option. Now if you want to enable it, they should be enabled by default, but if you don't have them enabled, then what you guys want to do is tap on the switch and it should be ready. Now you can also customize the warning timing, and that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.